how to set a new 4-digit PIN code in your wireless keypad. The keypad will come set with a factory PIN number 1111#. To set a new PIN code, you will need to do the following: 4 zeros, star, 01, hash. Our 4-digit PIN we're going to enter will be 1236#. We have now entered the new 4-digit PIN of 1236#, and to test this, we enter the PIN and we make sure that the green center light up top comes on. So you'll go 1236#. We now know that PIN number has been entered correctly.